Welcome to the xMati tutorial session. In this video, we will be setting up the drop-down content type in the chatbot. To do this, I have created a dummy bot. Let's click on it. This is our bot studio. Let me show you how you can set up the drop-down content type in a simple way. Click on the node and open the settings. Click on the plus icon and then this icon. Select drop-down content type. Click on Create New Dropdown. We will be setting up our dropdown here. This is the title text field of the dropdown. Let's write something. This is the text field for the dropdown submission button text. Let's give a text for the button. This is the placeholder for the dropdown. Let's keep the default one for now. Click on this button to add our dropdown options. Let's give a sample option. Add a unique value. Click here again to add more options, and let's write another option text. Add a unique value here as well. Make sure to always enter a unique value. Click here if you want to add more options, but as of now let's keep only 2 options. You can shift the options position up and down. Let's check other settings as well. This is the width text field, to change the width of the dropdown. We will check this in some time. This setting, if enabled, shows the dropdown near the chat text box at the bottom. And if disabled, will be shown just below the recent chat bubble. This setting allows the user to enter their own option apart from selecting the existing ones. This setting allows users to select multiple options from the dropdown. This is the markdown setting to allow formatting for the title text of the dropdown. And finally, the typing indicator setting, to enable or disable a typing indicator. Let's keep these settings to the default for now. And click on Submit and Add Action button. So our initial dropdown content type setup is done. Let's click on Emulator and test it. As you can see, the chatbot is showing the dropdown title as well as the dropdown below with its options and the Submit button. If you remember, we have kept the display as keyboard setting enabled during setup, and that's why the dropdown is shown at the bottom. And also, as you can see, we can select only one option because we have not enabled multiple choice setting as of now. And when we click on this Submit button, it will save and show the user's selected option in the chatbot. Let me show you where it gets saved. Let's create a standard node. Let's create a text node for now. This text node should send our selected option in the chatbot. Add double starting and ending curly braces, and in between write, event.payload.text. This is the variable where the user's selected option will be saved and will be accessible throughout the bot's lifetime. You can include this variable inside the API call node or the email sending node to pass its value through these nodes. Let's connect these nodes. Before testing, let's enable the Wait for User Message setting. Click on the On Receive tab and enable this checkbox. The reason for doing this is to let the chatbot wait till the users select his option before moving to the next node. Now let's test this flow in the emulator. Select an option and click on Submit button below. And as you can see, the bot is showing our selected dropdown option, meaning the options have been saved successfully inside the variable. Let's test again with another option. Working as expected. Now let's check other settings and test again. Click on this 3 dots and click on Edit. Let's revisit the dropdown settings. Let's disable this, so the dropdown shows below the chat bubble rather than at the bottom. And enable this Allow Creation and Multiple Choices settings. Click on Submit and Update Action. Let's test this inside emulator. As you can see, the drop-down is coming just under the latest chat bubble rather than on bottom. Let's select an option. Now, the drop-down allows selecting multiple options. Let's enter the second option as well. I am able to select both the options. Click on Submit. And as you can see, our bot is showing both of the selected options, meaning both the options have been saved successfully inside the variable. Let's test again. And this time I will try to enter another option outside the given options. Let's type something and click on the Create Text above. And as you can see, we were able to pass our custom option. Click Submit. And our bot has responded again with our custom option. Now let's check the drop-down width setting. Let's try with a 50 pixel width. Click Submit. Let's test again. So, the width has been reduced to 50 pixels, but this looks too small. Let's slightly increase the width. Let's change it to 100 pixels. Let's check it now. Okay, this seems good, and accordingly, you can change the width to your needs. If you want to keep the width as the default, just remove the pixels and keep the field blank. And the drop-down width has been changed to its default width. So in this tutorial, we discussed how to set up the drop-down content type and its settings within the chatbot. Stay tuned for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.